Magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, or gabi sa inyong lahat. Ako nga pala uli, wait lang, parang may mali. Ibang intro pala to. Nasaan nga pala ang aking tunay na script? Morning, good afternoon, good evening to all of you. Jerome Sode from TI21 is back from another video. Today's video is all about parts, function, and basic handling of computer hardware of components. This tutorial video focuses on explaining how the parts function and my intro begins. Basic components of hardware. CPU, Central Processing Unit. The CPU is the brain of the computer, responsible for processing all instructions from software and hardware. It performs calculation, executes commands, and manages data flow between the different components. Modern CPU have multiple cores which allow them to perform several tasks simultaneously. The CPU, or the Central Processing Unit, functions as the computer brains, fetching, decoding, executing, and storing instruction from software, performing arithmetic calculations, managing data flow, and controlling other components to process information and run programs. It translates user input into binary, process it through its arithmetic logic unit or ALU and control unit or CU, and send result to output devices, enabling all computing tasks from simple math to complex simulations. 2. Motherboard. The motherboard is the main circuit board that holds the CPU, memory, and other essential components. It acts the backbone of the computer, enabling communication between all hardware components through its slots, connector, and circuit. It also contains the BIOS, UEFI, or firmware that initialize the hardware during boot up. A motherboard main function is to act as the central hub, connecting, allowing communication between all key components like the CPU, RAM, graphic cards, and storage, while also distributing power and providing ports for peripherals, essentially holding the entire system together and enabling it to work. It uses hedged circuit traces to form pathways for data and contains socket slots and chips, like the BIOS, to manage this connection and boot the computer. RAM, Random Access Memory, temporary storage for data. RAM is the computer's temporary memory. It stores data that is currently being used by the CPU, allowing for quick access and boot operation. When a computer is powered off, the data in RAM is lost. More RAM generally allows for better multitasking and faster performance. It is a form of volatile memory, meaning it only stores data while the computer is powered on. When you open an application, data is loaded from the hard drive into RAM, allows the CPU to access the data much faster. The more RAM your system has, the more programs you can run simultaneously without slowing down. Unlike storage devices, data in RAM is erased when the system is turned off. RAM, Random Access Memory, function as a computer fast temporary workspace storing data and programs the CPU actively uses for quick access, enabling smooth multitasking, application loading, and efficient processing. Unlike slower long-term storage like hard drives, it's volatile, meaning it clears when power is off. So it holds only currently running tasks from operating system data to open games, allowing instant retrieval without going to the hard drive. Storage devices, permanent data storage. Computers store permanently in storage devices like hard drives and solid-state drives. These are two primary types of storage devices. HDD, or hard disk drive. These use spinning magnetic platters to read and write data. They have been widely used for decades and offer large storage capacity at low prices. SSD, solid state drive, a newer storage technology that uses flash memory. It has no moving parts, making it faster, more reliable, and energy efficient compared to HDDs. SSDs have become more popular due to their speed, which significantly reduce boot times and improves file access speeds. In contrast, an SSD uses non-volatile flash memory built from integrated circuits with no moving parts, which allows the computer to read and write electronically. Because there are no smithing disk or mechanical head, SD disks can access data much more quickly, improving boot time, application launches, and overall system responsiveness. Power supply unit, or providing power to the system. The power supply unit converts electricity from your wall outlet into a form that can be used by the internal components of the computer. It distributes the correct voltage to the various parts, including the motherboard, CPU, and storage devices. The PSU power output is measured in watts. It must provide enough power to handle all the components. A higher wattage PSU is often required for systems with more demanding components like high-end GPUs or multiple hard drives. A power supply for visual input. The GPU is responsible for rendering image, videos, and animation on the monitor, while the basic tasks like word processing rely on integrated graphics which are built into the CPU. More graphically intensive tasks such as gaming and video editing require dedicated GPU for better performance. 7. Cooling system, fans, and heatsink managing. Computer cooling systems are similar to car engine system. A computer is an electronic device that performs millions of operations per second. This means the electronic components generate a lot of heat. Electronic components like transistors, diodes, and other require a certain temperature for optimum operation. How the computer cooling works? The processor CPU of the computer generates heat from the operation that is carrying out. The heat is dissipated to a heatsink, which is mostly made of aluminum. When the heat is on, the sink pan is used to blow fresh cool air to cool it down. The heat sink is usually fixed directly on the top of the processor. Then the fan comes after the heatsink. Fresh air enters the computer system from the open left on the casing since the system unit is not air. That's all, and thank you for watching this video. Please hit like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates, or follow and hit favorite. Have a nice day. Jerome is out.
Please don't say goodbye, goodbye.